Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. Let's start our lecture. Here we have bridging and I hope all of you have solved it. Here is the answer of that bridging. Let's see what learning outcome or belief we have today. We have belief number 43 in which we have to use knowledge of previously learned rules of silent letters in a tricky words and learn to read new words. And secondly, we have to discuss use a thesaurus to locate synonyms and antonyms. Firstly, we have the case of the missing sounds. The suspects are hiding in the plain word. You have a word and when you pronounce the word, there are some alphabets in it which you can't pronounce. For example, in the word right, we do not pronounce E. That's why we called E a silent letter. Let's read about silent letters. Silent letters are common letters that combine to form words. They are written on the page, but they make absolutely no sound when spoken. They are written words. When we spoke it, they are not pronounced and their sounds are not present. That's why we call these letters silent letters. Let's see the steps. Look closely at how the word is spelled. Step 2. Say the word out loud and listen to the sounds. Step 3. Spot the silent letters. They stay completely quiet. We have some examples. For example, we have a word bridge. If you look at the spelling, B-R-I-D-G-E. And here the word D is silent. We can't pronounce the sound of D in it. And that's why we call this word a bridge. In the second word, we have foreign. Here the word G is written in the spelling, but it is not pronounced. And we pronounce this word as a foreign. And the word G is a master of disguise. It sneaks into the middle of the word but refuses to speak. In the third word, we have a silent letter. G and H work as a silent letter. When we pronounce this word daughter, there is no sound of G and H in it. We have fourth word knowledge. Here the word K is silent and D, G is silent in it. When you pronounce it, we can't pronounce or make sounds of these words. Then we have right. Here the W is a silent letter because when we pronounce the word, there is no sound of W in the start. And let's come to the second part of our SLO, second SLO, which is synonyms and antonyms, which you can find in your thesaurus, a hard book, or you can visit a website of thesaurus.com and you can find the meaning, you can find the synonym and antonym of that word. Synonym means the word which have same meaning and antonym means the words which have opposite meaning. Word detective use a thesaurus to uncover a suspect's synonyms and antonyms. It helps you to maintain a word or group of words which you can use differently in your different writings. Okay, bacho, here's a formative check. You have to read this text and identify silent letters or words which have silent letters in it. And you also have to write their synonyms. Here's your homework. Do it at your home. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. Okay, bacho. Allah Hafiz.